Let's simplify and break down the concept of the green shoe option, GSO, in a structured way that's easy to grasp. Understanding green shoe option, GSO, in simple terms. General meeting authorization. Imagine a company like a school planning a big event, public issue. Before the event, they hold a meeting, general meeting, where they decide they might need extra chairs, shares, if more guests, investors, show up. This is them planning for the green shoe option. Stabilizing agent appointment. The school appoints a responsible person, stabilizing agent, SA, to handle the situation if too many guests come. This SA is usually someone already helping organize the event, like a merchant banker or book runner. Agreement with promoters, shareholders. The SA makes a deal with some key people, promoters, shareholders, who promise to lend extra chairs, shares, if needed. But there's a limit, they can't lend more than 15% of the total chairs planned for the event. Disclosure in prospectus. All these plans and agreements are written down in a detailed guide, prospectus, for the event. This guide is shared with everyone, so they know how things will work. Determination of over-allotment. The main organizer, lead merchant banker or lead book runner, and the SA decide together how many extra chairs, shares, might be needed, based on the limit agreed upon with the key people. Additional disclosures in prospectus. The event guide, prospectus, also includes extra details. Who is in charge of handling extra guests, name of the SA. How many extra chairs, shares, they might add. How long they'll keep adding chairs if needed, stabilization period. How the school's space, company's capital, will change if they add these extra chairs. How much extra money the school might get from these extra chairs and what they'll do with it. The details of the deal with those lending chairs, promoters, shareholders. Pro rata allocation. If extra chairs are added, they ensure that everyone gets a fair chance. It's like ensuring every guest gets a seat without favoring some over others. Now, let's do retrieval practice and quick revision. GSO, a backup plan for a company issuing shares to handle extra demand. Roles, SA, like an event organizer, promoters, shareholders, lend extra shares. Process, plan in advance, make deals, disclose everything in the prospectus, decide on extra shares with the SA, and distribute fairly. Key elements, transparency, fairness, and planning for more demand than expected. Remember, the GSO is essentially a safety net to ensure the share prices don't fluctuate too much right after they start trading publicly. It's like having a controlled environment for a new event to ensure its success. Let's continue breaking down the remaining points about the green shoe option, GSO, in a simple, easy to understand format. Simplifying green shoe option, GSO. Stabilization period. Think of this as the time right after the event, public issue, when the organizers, company, can use their backup chairs, extra shares, if needed. This period can't be longer than 30 days from when the event starts, date of trading permission. Special accounts. The SA sets up two special accounts, one for handling the money, GSO bank account, and another for keeping track of the extra shares, GSO demat account for shares. Utilization of funds. The money collected for these extra shares, over allotted shares, is kept separately in the GSO bank account. This money is used specifically for buying back shares if needed during the stabilization period. Buying and crediting. If shares are bought from the market during this period, they are added to the GSO demat account. Return of shares. After the event is over, stabilization period, the extra shares held in the GSO demat account are given back to the key people, promoters, within 2 working days. Responsibilities of the SA. The SA's main job is to make sure the price of the shares doesn't go on a rollercoaster ride after the event starts. They decide when to buy shares, how many, and at what price. Shortfall in buying. If the SA couldn't buy enough shares from the market to match the extra allotted, the company has to officially add these shares to the GSO demat account within 5 days post-stabilization period. Lock-in period. The shares returned to the promoters still have a time limit, lock-in period, during which they can't be sold, as per the rules. Fund remittance. The SA sends the money equal to the extra allotted shares at the issue price from the GSO bank account to the company. Any leftover money, after taking out expenses, goes to a special fund for protecting investors. Reporting requirements. The SA has to send daily reports during the stabilization period and a final report to the regulatory body, SEBI, with detailed records. Maintenance of register. The SA keeps a detailed logbook, register, for each issue with the GSO, recording all transactions, shares borrowed, and allotments. Record retention. This logbook, register, must be kept for at least 3 years after the stabilization period ends, ensuring everything is transparent and follows the rules. In summary, the GSO process, think of it as a carefully managed event with backup plans and meticulous record keeping. SA's role, like an event manager, ensuring no chaos in share prices and keeping detailed accounts. Documentation and transparency, regular reports, a dedicated register, and a 3-year record retention for accountability. Final goal, to keep the share price stable after a company goes public, ensuring a smooth transition into the stock market. Remember, the green shoe option is like having a skilled team managing a big public event, ensuring that even if more guests arrive than expected, everything runs smoothly without any disturbances.